Act 1, Scene 5 of Hamlet, is a pivotal moment in Shakespeare's tragedy, filled with supernatural encounters, revelations of betrayal, and vows of vengeance. The scene opens with Hamlet following the ghost, which has taken the form of his deceased father, the former king of Denmark. Fatigued by the pursuit, Hamlet demands the ghost speak and reveal its purpose. The ghost agrees, marking the beginning of a series of revelations that will set the course for the play's tragic events. The ghost solemnly declares that it is indeed the spirit of Hamlet's father, and that it is doomed to roam the earth by night and endure purgatorial fires by day as punishment for its sins. Despite this, the ghost has appeared to share a dark truth with Hamlet. Its death was not an accident, but a foul and most unnatural murder. The revelation shocks Hamlet, who listens intently as the ghost describes how Claudius, Hamlet's uncle and now king, poisoned him while he slept in the orchard. This act of fratricide and usurpation, the ghost reveals, was motivated by Claudius's ambition for the throne and his lust for Gertrude, Hamlet's mother. The ghost implores Hamlet to seek vengeance for this heinous act, but warns him not to harm his mother, leaving her fate to heaven and her own conscience. Sworn to secrecy, Hamlet agrees to avenge his father's murder, a vow that firmly aligns his path with the ghost's quest for justice. However, he is also burdened with the heavy knowledge of his mother's betrayal and the corruption that now pervades the Danish court. As the ghost vanishes with the dawn, Hamlet is left to ponder the enormity of the task ahead. The arrival of Horatio and Marcellus, who had been in pursuit of Hamlet, interrupts his contemplation. Curious, they inquire about the ghost's message, but Hamlet, wary of revealing too much, ensures their silence through a series of oaths. Intriguingly, the ghost's voice echoes from beneath the ground, insisting on secrecy and reinforcing the gravity of the situation. Hamlet then hints at a possible plan of action, suggesting he may feign madness as a means to fulfill his vow without arousing suspicion. He asks Horatio and Marcellus to swear not to reveal any details of the night's events or Hamlet's subsequent behavior, a request they honor. United in their secrecy, the trio returns to the castle, with Hamlet brooding over the ghost's command and his own place in a world now turned upside down. This scene is crucial for several reasons. It establishes the central conflict of the play, highlights the theme of revenge, introduces the motif of appearance versus reality, and sets Hamlet on a tragic trajectory fueled by duty, morality, and the pursuit of truth. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Make sure to check out my channel for the complete chapter-by-chapter summary playlist.